Introducing the 2022 Seat Arona PA 1.0 TSI 110 SE Plus 5-door in sleek grey. This powerhouse of a hatchback boasts a 1-litre engine, manual transmission, and a host of luxurious features including air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, and more. With top-of-the-line safety features like ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking, you can drive with peace of mind. Plus, with stylish touches like privacy glass and roof rails, you'll turn heads wherever you go. This vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specifications, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.